Usually every spring I have favorite packets of seeds that I will plant, and one of them, of course, is sunflower seeds. I think there's always an inspiration behind everything. And being a gardener, one of the things that I really admire about flowers is, of course, because they are beautiful, but I certainly have my favorite. So even after the season of the sunflower is over, I always have things in my home that just inspire me to feel more about planting for the next season. And one of those things, of course, is some beautiful silk flowers. And I also love to collect napkins, whether they're paper napkins or cloth napkins. They're such an inspiration, such a joy through the year. And the sunflower, I can honestly say, is my favorite flower. I know a lot of people love roses, and I do love roses. But living on the coast, we do have a long period of fall and winter. So my favorite flower, because of its color, because of its texture, because of the beauty and the longevity, is certainly the sunflower for me.